Just a reminder that the super early bird discount that's available for tickets for Practice Evolution 2019, that's on the 27th of June in London and the 4th of July in Manchester, only available until the end of this month, 31st of December. It really is a super early bird discount. Go to the website www.practiceevolution.co.uk, see the lineup, see the superb speakers we've got booked already, and there will be more being added. Check out the exhibitors. We've just received confirmation that Thomson's Reuters want to exhibit, that QTAC Payroll want to exhibit, and that they're coming through all the time. Check it out. If you want to come to the best small practice conference, specific conference, then Practice Evolution is the one to go for. And as I say, you get a tremendous super early bird discount, but it runs out 31st of December. So check out the website. Also check out www.icpa.org.uk as well. Have a look at our website. You can pick up details of the conference from there, or go to www.practiceevolution.co.uk for yourself. Thank you.